Are you looking for the best wood router? In this video, we will look at some of the best wood router on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 272320 M18 FUEL. Milwaukee is amongst the oldest and most reliable power tool manufacturers in the US. The brand has over 95 years of experience in providing both professionals and deers with high-quality tools. The brand entered the market in 1918 with the lightest one-handed drill. The technologies have been developing every year since then. Now, I'd like to introduce the best woodworking router I've had. The Milwaukee 272320 M18 is a compact yet very powerful tool. Weighing around 3 pounds, the tool feels great in my hand and offers surprising performance. Even though it's a cordless model, the Power State brushless motor makes a whopping 1.25 HP, which is a similar result to pro-grade corded models. At the same time, it's cheaper than Bosch professional line routers with similar capabilities. Using the 6-speed dial, you can adjust the bit speed from 10,000 to 31,000 RPM, which lets you achieve the required level of control on longer distances with lower speeds, and to make the smoothest finish quality possible at the highest. The control quality is also very high due to a 4-sub base plate that provides a stable stand and even sliding. Weight 3.46 kilograms. Item dimensions LXWXH 46.6 x 13.3 x 22.8 centimeters. Power source battery powered. Number 2. WEN RT6033 15 amp. Nick Anton found WEN in 1951 and made it one of the largest manufacturers of chainsaws, engravers, jigsaws, routers, and a whole bunch of other power tools. I like that this brand offers pretty awesome quality, but keeps the prices for professional-grade tools quite low. The RT6033 tool is a great example of their approach to this business. This router comes with a powerful 15-amp motor that spins the nut at 8,000 to 23,000 rotations, but it weighs 20 pounds and spins slower than the Milwaukee's 3-pound buddy, you'd say. Yes, that's right. But don't forget that a larger nut requires more time to rotate, so it usually makes fewer revolutions because of that, even while the motor is more powerful. The motor of this one also has a soft start feature that reduces the risk of kickback at the start. It accepts 1/2 and 1/4 bits, and it's very easy to replace them, as the nut is accessible directly. The frame is highly durable and supports fine adjustments, so that you can make high-precision holes and grooves without difficulties. The maximum plunge depth is 2, and you can adjust the needed depth quite easily using the 7-stop turret and the micro adjustment dial. Weight 8.71 kilograms. Item dimensions LXWXH 43.61 x 37.39 x 18.01. Variable speed plunge woodworking router. Hard-shelled case. Multifunction straight edge fence. Template guide. Circle cutting centering pin. Fence scale, and 1/2-inch dust collection duct making. This plunge router review took me a while, as it was a pleasure to have fun with the tool. It provides smooth motion, versatility, and a great hard case, with almost all the accessories you need to start, including a parallel guide fence, circle cutting pin, dust port adapter, profile guide, nut wrench, and template guide. That's great value for any deer. And number 3. Bosch 1617 EVS-PK Combo Kit. Bosch is an old German company that supplies the entire world with some of the best professional-grade power tools and accessories for any labor. These tools are usually more expensive than American analogs, but the quality and features are always at the top. This plunger router combo kit offers a bit more portability than WEN's 15-amp model without losing power. Its 12-amp motor can actually spin the nut even faster, up to 25,000 RPM. Due to this, the finish quality is a bit smoother when you use the top speed. The motor includes a technology that supports the rotation speed at the set level when you strike the material. It's also 1.2 pounds lighter, 18.2 pounds. But why did I choose this one as a more compact model? All due to the convertibility. The tool comes with 2 bases, including a fixed base and a plunge base. Both parts let you adjust routing depth with accuracy up to 1/64, which is highly important for some projects. The tool is ready for being used as a router table core, as the bases already come with mounting holes. The patterns are compatible with most ready-made and custom tables. Other pleasing extras include a self-releasing collet, a pair of wrenches, chip shields, and a case. Finally, this router is very easy to use. Weight: 8.2 kilograms. Item dimensions: LXWXH 15.2 x 29.2 x 29.2 centimeters, 2 x 29.2 centimeters. Number 4. DEWALT DW616. DEWALT is a 100YO, the American brand with assembly lines right in the US. So the prices for these professional-grade power tools are very good. These tools are also among the most durable. That's why they are so popular in various industries and DE areas. The DW616 fixed-base router is designed for tackling heavy-duty industrial challenges without overloading the operator. The whole tool is only 6.2 pounds and has a broad base with a concentricity gauge, so it's very easy to move over the workpiece with high precision. The default base is convenient for both right and left-handed users due to the adjustable switch and cord location. This DEWALT router offers excellent value for the money it costs, if you consider not only its performance and durability, but the full 3-year warranty with a 1-year free maintenance contract. They will replace any part it wears off during normal use. Specifications: weight: 4.5 kilograms. Ore source: corded color, yellow, silver, black. Voltage: 120 volts. What's included: DW616M motor pack, DW6184 fixed base, 1/4 in and a half in, collets, sub-base concentrically gauged, 2 wrenches, 8.3 expert score. You can also easily adjust the depth with a convenient adjustment ring. The grooves on the motor pack work like a screw, which makes it possible to adjust depth in 1/64 increments without tools. The motor pack can also be quickly released for base replacement. The nut is compatible with 1/4 and a half-inch collets, which is a standard range for medium-duty models. I think it's enough for the majority of purposes. Number 5. Makita RT0701CX3. Makita is a top-notch Japanese power tool maker with high-quality assembly lines in the US. The brand is an absolute leader when it comes to simplicity and durability. Their routers are quite affordable yet extremely versatile for in-shop projects. The routers by Makita are currently the best sellers on Amazon and some other marketplaces, as they are designed to be compact and withstand heavy workloads at the same time. The lightweight RT0701CX3 is most popular for single-hand use convenience, but it can be converted into a 2-hand plunge router in seconds. The great thing is that this model's default set includes 2 types of fixed vertical bases for straight and circular cutting, as well as a slanted base with an adjustable angle from 30 degrees to 45 degrees and a patented plunger base. The last lets you adjust the depth with micro increments. The motor of this tool is probably the most energy efficient on the market today, with only 6.5 amps and 114 HP under the hood. This PAL makes from 10,000 to 30,300 revolutions per minute. I tested it at my friend's kitchen making workshop. He uses the tool to make extra smooth edges on composite solid surfaces. I tried to repeat his work, and it was a pleasure to do with this compact machine. Specifications: weight: 1.7 kilograms. Item dimensions: LXWXH 43.18 x 25.4 x 17.78 centimeters. Power source: electric powered color, green. Silver. Voltage: 120 volts. Silver. Voltage: 120 volts. Number 6. Avid Power 6.5 amp. I don't know much about the Avid Power company, as it's one of those new Chinese manufacturers that don't tell a lot about themselves, but make superb cheap tools. Avid Power focuses on light and medium-duty tools for carpentry and outdoor power tools. I'm not sure if they have good customer support as they are based only in China, but 90% of reviews and my personal experience are positive. For slightly more than $110, you are offered a 6.5 amp motor pack that performs similarly to Makita's motor. It even runs 2000 RPM faster at the top speed mode, but doesn't have a smooth start feature, so you have to hold it really well and get used to the kicking torque. On the other hand, it's a way to make extra smooth stuff. The nut accepts 1/4 and 3/8 inch collets, which isn't quite Number 7. Porter Cable, PCE 6435. Porter Cable isn't very well known in the world, but it's actually one of the oldest American power toolmakers that have been holding a significant position in the business since 1906. It stands behind the invention of a portable belt sander, portable band saw, and a helical drive circular saw. The brand's PCE 6435 is a high-quality tool with a 5.6 amp motor that's tuned for ultra-fast output. The speed controller lets you switch from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM, so it's not the best one for long, slow passes, but great for smoothing out the edges of any hardwoods and solid surfaces. The base of the instrument is made of cast aluminum, while the sub-base is of solid transparent plastic that reduces weight and smooths out every movement you make. It's a good combo with a precise height adjustment ring that runs really smoothly. Specification: weight 2.2 kilograms. Item dimensions: LXWXH 21x21x 14.4 centimeters. Power source: corded electric. Number 8. Ryobi P601 One Plus. Ryobi is a multi-industry manufacturer of components and electronic equipment, with over 75 years of history in Japan and over 50 years of success in the US. Most of their tools are manufactured in OEM factories that also supply parts for Milwaukee, Vax, etc. The brand usually offers modest pricing for excellent features, and quality. The P601 One Plus router is an affordable battery-powered tool that works with 18V batteries and makes up to 29,000 RPM. That's a great result for such a lightweight cordless tool. The design is made as simple as possible to make it convenient for DIYers who don't need pro-grade devices for their projects. The tool accepts 1/4 shank router bits and provides a similar performance to my all-favorite Milwaukee FUEL router. Another good point is an option to micro-adjust the depth of the bit simply by rotating the dial. If you need to replace the bit, it's quite easy to release it with a single push of a button. Unfortunately, the tool comes without a battery, but it's compatible with all Ryobi Power tool battery packs, from P100 to P108. You can just take a battery from another tool by the brand if you have it. The tool easily makes it on most home projects for less than $90. And it's very easy to use. Number 9. Skil RT1322-00. Skil is a legendary US brand, the inventor of the popular heavy-duty Skil saw Model 77. It's now called the saw that built America. Other tools by the brand offer the same level of durability and professional-grade performance. RT1322-00 is a combo router with a replaceable base, so that you can use it as a plunger and a lighter fixed base router. Both modes support precise depth tuning with micro increments. The medium-duty 14-amp motor makes from 10,000 to 24,000 RPM at a consistent speed, no matter what the load is. I think it's using the same speed controller as Bosch's device. The nut accepts 1/43 and 1/23 collet without performance downgrade when you take the largest one. Unlike alternative tools, this one has a bright LCD display on the top panel, so that you can see what speed is enabled and adjust it with a push of a button. The display will tell you what type of wood can be treated with the chosen speed and show the acceptable collet size. The reason I didn't choose it instead of Milwaukee is that it weighs notably more. The full pack is 17 pounds. Finally, it's a corded tool, so it doesn't fulfill my need for extra mobility. If you don't care about that, you will definitely like the tool very much.